Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to tackle, that's the word, tackle this horrific, and I say horrific, laundry room. It's a tiny laundry room. It's cluttered, it's dirty.
First,
we're going to tackle it.
I'm going to fry some eggs in the microwave. So I'm going to spray a little bit of oil. Have a little oil spray on my paper plate. And to that, I cracked 2 eggs. And I will add a little bit of salt and pepper. Salt and pepper is added. Now very carefully, very carefully, I'm going to walk this over to my microwave. Whoa, be careful. Because I'm going very slow. Okay, got them in the microwave. 1 minute. And I'm going to fix me a slice of toast. Don't judge me. Oh, it's not plugged up. And there they are. I added another 20 seconds, but because I still had some of the white gel, but that's pretty close. But I still do as I say, not as I do. And so the bottom of this little plate is dirty, so I'm going to swap it to the next plate. And my breakfast.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you.
Now let's do this. I've got to do a
You're
lot
the
of
one I
decluttering
can't let go.
There's been
In
stuff
your
up there
arms,
for years.
I find my
6-7 years.
love, sweet
And
love.
it's
It's you
going to the
I'm
donation pile or
dreaming
going
of.
to the trash.
Every moment with
My
you
laundry room is
feels
so
like
small.
a gift
The
from above.
wall
Forever
right there
and
behind that
always, you're the
There's 2
one
inches
I
on each side of the
adore.
washer
In
and
your
dryer.
love, I
And
find
there's
my
about 3 inches when I open the door that it doesn't hit the front of the dryer. It's tiny. This is a big house, okay? It's 2,700 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms, okay? And this is the size laundry. You know, I didn't think about that when we bought this house.
With you,
I
I'm
wasn't paying attention
complete.
to that. And
In your
just like
love, my
my
heart
pantry. I
finds its
didn't pay attention
beat.
to my tiny little pantry when
Love,
I bought
sweet
the house.
love,
I liked
it's
the
you
floor plan
I'm
of the house. It met
dreaming
mother's
of.
needs, it met our
Every
needs, it had a lot of the
moment with you
criteria
feels
that
like
we were
a
looking for.
gift
And
from
it's not
above.
just moving and
Forever and
living.
always, you're
And you
the
realize,
one I adore.
my
In
pantry
your
is 2 feet
love,
by 2
I
feet.
find my
And
forevermore.
my laundry room is
In your
4 foot
arms,
by 6 foot.
I feel alive.
Okay,
With you, I
that's
soar
a general
and
thought. That's
fly.
about how big it
A love
feels.
story written
Because you
in
know
the
you got like a 2
skies.
foot
In
door
your
wide,
love,
and
my
then the
spirit
depth of the dryer.
flies.
But anyway,
Love, sweet
and you don't
love,
think
it's
about
you
those
I'm
things.
dreaming
You're
of.
looking at the
Every
size of
moment
the
with you
living
feels
room,
like
where
a
the
gift
bedrooms are
from
placed. You're
above.
looking at,
Forever
you know,
and
where you
always,
put your
you're the
furniture,
one
not where
I
you're going to
adore.
wash your clothes or
In
where
your
you're going to
love,
cook
a
your food.
love story
So,
in memory storm. You're my
my next
guiding
house,
light. In
those
your
are some of the
eyes, I
things I'm
see
looking
the
for. If
stars
there's a next
align
house.
with you. I'm
I'm sure at
whole
some
with you.
point
I'm
we will
complete in your
downsize.
love. My heart
Now,
finds its
you know,
beat.
it's just the 3 of
Everyone,
us living
sweet
here,
love,
Rocky and
it's you
myself
I'm
and my mother.
dreaming of. Every moment
You
with you
know,
feels like a
now my
gift
daughter
from
did come
above.
home
Forever
for
and
almost a
always,
year
you're
after
the
divorce.
one
But,
I adore. In
you
your
know,
love,
but that's
my
different.
finds its
You know, I'm not saying
beat.
we're moving
Every
to like a
wall
2
fits you
bedroom house or
I'm
anything,
dreaming of.
but,
Every
you know,
moment with you
when it's just the 2
feels
of
like a
us,
gift from above. Forever and always,
you know,
you're the one I
when we're too old to deal with the
adore.
stairs,
Your love, my
we may
heart finds
downsize,
its beat.
you know,
Love
to a
is you
single-story
I'm
home
dreaming
when
of.
it's too
Every
difficult
moment
for
with
us to
you
get up
feels
and
like
down
a
the
gift
stairs
from
anymore. I mean, like right now, you know, I don't have to go upstairs very often. because the master bedroom is downstairs and laundry room is downstairs. But Rocky, we have a media room upstairs, and that's where he watches TV most of the time, because we don't have the same interest when it comes to TV, but, so he goes up there and watches TV, and my TV is down here in the living room. So, anyway, I digress. Decluttering. Okay, I'm going to apologize for the lighting. Okay, we have a motion light in the hallway there, so that it lights the hallway when Mother starts to come out of her room and to go to the restroom, and it stays on for 30 seconds. So if you see that lighting going in and out, that's what that is. It's the motion sensor light. So, how are you guys doing? Tell me. Do you love your laundry room? Give me a comment, It would really help me out. And if you'd hit that like and subscribe, it'd help me out a whole lot too. I'm really trying to grow my channel, and in my last video I had asked, what did y'all want to see? Leave me a comment. What do you want to see? Do you want to see decluttering and organizing? Of course, I still do my urban homesteading, I do canning and food preservation, and, different things like that. But what would you like to see? Cleaning, decluttering, organizing, home projects, homesteading projects? What do you want to see from me? How can I help you? That's basically, what I want to know. Well, what can I do that gives value to you? So, what can inspire you? What can encourage you and motivate you to maybe tackle your laundry room? What can I do? I'm not good at just jibber jab. So, I'm going to let y'all watch me work for a little bit. It's pretty much done. I'm excited about it. Have you ever noticed, please tell me, you do a little project like this. Now, this isn't 100%, obviously. It's about 80% clean. Obviously, I didn't pull out the washer and dryer and get all the lint from behind it and stuff that's fallen behind it, but it's good enough for who it's for, me, okay? It's a whole lot better. But have you ever, when you do a little project, I have to ask, I probably went and just looked at my laundry room 10 times after I was done, because I was, I was washing laundry as I was doing this too, but I would go down there and I would just look and go, oh, it felt good to have it done. Do you do that? I gotta know. I gotta know. Is it the only one? I'll rearrange the bedroom, or I'll, clean the bathroom top to bottom, and it's spick and span, and it's smelling nice, and I'll just stand at the door and do it when I clean the kitchen at the end of the night, because I like that one little corner of my kitchen, and when I've got it all cleaned and put away, I'll just stand and admire my job well done. And be really, really pleased with myself. But, yeah, and please tell me I'm not the only one, am I? I'm really not the only one. So, I'm very, very happy with the outcome of this laundry room. It took me about, it took me about half an hour of recording. Now, I obviously sped it up. I sped it up a lot, and then I deleted out some of the sections where I had gone to go take some stuff and, out, and came back a minute later and stuff like that. But it took me about 35 minutes to get it done. So I'm very pleased with it. And it didn't take me as long as I wanted it to. But I want to thank you all for watching. If you've been here, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would, give me a like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next one.